Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to reset the oil change light on the 2007 to 2024 Chevy Silverado. There are some ways that you can actually reset the oil light on this car, and it depends on the trim and car model years. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. The fastest and most effective way to reset the oil light on this car is by stepping on the gas pedal. So let me do that right now. Step 1. Turn the key to the accessory position without starting the vehicle. Step 2. Step on the accelerator pedal 3 times to the floor within 5 seconds, and the oil light will reset. Once you're done, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the second method. This second method is quite easy, but only the Silverado with DIC buttons can use this method. So the first thing you have to do is, Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the vehicle info button repeatedly to scroll through the oil life display. Step 3. Press and hold the check button until the oil life resets to 100% and you're done. The traditional way to reset the oil light on this car is by stepping on the gas pedal. So let me teach you right now. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Step on the gas pedal 3 times to the floor within 5 seconds, and the oil light will reset. After that, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next method. For the third generation Silverado, you can reset the oil life by using the cluster display, but there are 2 model displays and it depends on your car trim level. So let's get right into it. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Turn the knob on the cluster to scroll through the oil life display. Step 3. Press and hold the knob until a confirmation message appears. Step 4. Turn the knob to highlight yes and finally press the knob and you're done. This third way is a new way that I want to show you here. This method uses the navigation buttons on the steering wheel, so make sure your Silverado is equipped with this. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the left arrow on the steering wheel to bring up the main menu. Step 3. Use the up or down arrow until info is highlighted and then press the check button to enter the menu. Step 4. Press the up or down arrow until oil life is displayed. Step 5. Press the right arrow to open the reset menu and then press the check button to select. Step 6. Highlight yes and finally press the check button to confirm oil life reset. If you want to know how to reset the oil life reminder on your 2019 Silverado, just use the steering wheel buttons. Basically the same as the 2016 model, only different in the info menu. So what we're gonna do is, Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Use your right pad to shuffle over to the info menu. Step 3. Rotate the dial down until you see oil life. Step 4. Press and hold down the dial wheel until the oil life reset to 100%, and you're done. This method is for a base level truck. It does not have the display options on the steering wheel as you'd find in higher trim truck models. So let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Turn the knob on the cluster to scroll through to the oil life. Step 3. Hold down the knob until you see a confirmation message. Step 4. Turn the knob to scroll to yes and then click the knob to confirm it, and you're done. So that's it. So now your oil life is reset and you're good for another 3,000 or 5,000 miles depending on enrolling. Thanks for stopping by and have a beautiful day.